Hi everyone, I'm Ron from WizNet Hong Kong. Welcome to WizNet Hong Kong YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will be SD card interface. We will use W55MH32's SD card interface with MicroPython to do some demos. If you wanted to know more about how to install MicroPython for W55MH32, you could refer to our previous short videos. The links will be in the description below. For the pins of the SD card interface, as usual, we need to go to dos.w5500.com to have a look. In the pin description section, the SDIO will show in orange color. These are the SDIO pins. And for W55MH32L-EVB, we have already added the SD card interface for you already and connect those pins. So how do we use it? So we need to go back to the Thorny first to have a look. In Thorny, you can see if the SD card does not connected, it will show unmount SD card. After that, we just need to plug in the SD card and hardware reset. You can see over here, SD card has been mounted. So for W55MH32, we already auto mount and auto unmount these features for you. For the most easy way to program to work with the SD card, we could just directly using the file system. And as you could see, we had already opened the file view for you already. By clicking the MicroPython device, go to SD card, we can directly go to SD card. We can create different kind of files directly using MicroPython, or we could make some simple coding for it. So let's try. How do we do it? Simple with statement to work with those files. Open. After that, we could just open and then go to the directory of SD card, and then we go to testing. We create a file called testing, and then comma and W close and SF. We call it a variable F for it. F dot write, and then we put hi from W55MH32. Then close the bracket. And we just do one more just for reading the text file as well to make sure we had created the text file. Testing.txt, comma, R, and okay, missed something. Done. S, F as well, and then F. We just directly print it. Print it. ID. Okay. So before pressing this script, you could also do some command to check on the status of the SD card by import OS, and then we just os.list dir to check the directory of the SD card, and then we can use this for doing a comparison. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Anyways, the file has been created. SD card, as you can see, it could write and read the information, and let's check the file. So by pressing it, oh, the text file, those text has been implemented testing.txt. Okay, so just now we have tested the input OS and also want to test the list directory. We could do it again, like os list dir and then sd close bracket press. As you can see, except the SD card information, it also show the text file as well. Same like the file view. So this is how to easily to use the SD card interface with W55MH32 in MicroPython. We will create more kinds of videos based on W55MH32 with MicroPython. Thank you for watching.